loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Solange if you're new here, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today I'll be giving you a tour of the suite I stayed in at Garza Blanca Resort and Spa and showing you all the details that make it feel like everything you could dream of and more. As you step into the suite, you're greeted with a thoughtful welcome package from Expedia. We booked our stay through them, so shout out to Expedia for this cool drinking package. After that, you're welcomed by an open and airy living room space that's both stylish and relaxing. The modern decor features neutral tones, natural textures, and touches of tropical charm that makes it feel extra cozy and inviting. The living room was honestly my favorite area of the whole space because the couch was perfect for unwinding, whether I was planning for the day or just enjoying just some quiet moments. Every detail from the cushion to the artwork, it just added such a warm and sophisticated vibe to the space that I just couldn't stay away from. Next is the kitchen and dining area. This kitchen is fully equipped with everything that you need, whether you're cooking or ordering room service. As you can see, it has a microwave, a stove, a toaster. For my coffee and tea lovers, there's a brewing station, and the fridge is stocked with water, juice, and soda. And room service comes every morning to restock anything that you have used. One of the best things that this room has to offer, in my opinion, is a washer and dryer. It's perfect for people who like to stay on vacation for longer than 4 to 5 days and they want to repeat certain items. Like, game changer. Love me when I love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Now let's step into the bedroom. A true sanctuary of comfort. The bed is king size, dressed in crisp white linen and plush pillows that matches the colors of the living room. This bed is extremely comfortable, you guys. Like, I did not want to get out of bed. We had not one, but 2 bathrooms in this suite. The first was smaller but still beautiful with amazing lighting and a rainfall shower. And let me tell you, that L'Occitane shower gel, a must-have. I had to grab one for my house immediately. Now let's talk about the main bathroom. One thing about me, I care about a good bathroom just as much as the bedroom. The artsy leaved patterned towels in green and gray tones was such a vibe. And the tub, huge and so comfortable. Our butler even set up a cute bubble bath at the end of our stay. Of course, we had his or her sinks, another rainfall shower, and a separate toilet room. But the real star, that high-tech toilet with the heated seats and the built-in bidet for that extra razzle-dazzle, now that's luxury. Last but definitely not least, my favorite part of the whole suite, the balcony. Stepping outside, you're instantly greeted with the most breathtaking views of the resort, sandy beach, clear skies, and palm trees. I had my drinks there, I ate there, such a vibe. They've got a cozy couch with the same cute decorative pillows, a hammock perfect for lounging, and even another dining table if you want to eat outside, which I did. Plus, you can access the balcony from the bedroom and the living room. Just the ultimate spot to soak in the sun and just take in the views of paradise. This suite is a 10 out of 10, and I highly recommend staying here. I can't wait to come back once the adults only area is finished. The whole resort is just next level luxury. You will not regret it. If you want to see more of what we did on this trip, make sure you check out my Cancun vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, loves.